When you're ready.
Like a red kit, eh?
Bit of up, and that's it.
It's like the Airborne magazine. Maiden flight, A37. Cessna, isn't it?
Yeah.
DragonFly.
It's a runway one. It's elevated through. It's very touchy on the elevator. I'll do a slow flyby.
They're touchy on that 360.
I'll cut it right back.
Use your rudder at the same way, get it slide up to the runway. What's wrong with that?
Yep. That elevated, I'm going to move those batteries towards me. Just a smidge, because it's very light on the elevator. I'm going to come in now.
Yeah, just use your rudder to keep it straight down the runway, but right rudder as you come in.
Funland. 2-ton Funland 7. 2-ton comfort machine.
Is that what they're flying?
That's CG, shocking.
Stabilised.
What if the batteries sort of slip back a bit?
Crosswinds have upset.
Yeah.
Goes on the blackbird again.
Righto, maiden flight, Dave.
Unreal, but we need to change a few things, which I'll do right now. Elevator. Oh yeah, left, right, up, down.
Flight number 2.
We're right. I reckon if you go forwards even more. Let's check this CD properly. Alright. Yeah, it feels alright. Oh, let's put the fucking flaps up.
Did you see that video?
Now we'll see that again.
Well, that's it. And then all of a sudden, Syria will just...
I reckon that CG is still... That feels pretty good, Mario.
Okay.
Got to keep the power on. Well, now a glider. Pretty slippery.
Elevator better, Dave?
Yeah, much.
How was it?
Perfect.
Excellent.
Still got to tweak the CG a little bit, but it's better. So. Are we good? 3, 2, 1. So I put those batteries forward about another centimetre.
Yep, I got you now.
Really wants to tuck in. Oh, canopy's off.
Okay. Canopy just come off. Still controllable. So, Dave,
Perfect with or without a canopy.
Dave accidentally got the canopy pin glued in, and we've just been sticky taping the canopy on. But overall,
Perfect.
3 flights.
Unreal.
We've moved the CG a little bit forward of
I
the
reckon it's
forward
25 mil back.
forward line.
CG, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, flies great.
Yep, I love it.
Thank you. There's our canopy retrieval guy. On that last flight.
I've got it.
Between the 2 screws, a forward and rear.
Yeah. In between the joint of the fan.
Well, on the file, it's not split in half. That's something I've split to print it. So we're in between the 2, the forward and rear screws.
Yep, and I reckon I could go more.
More forward.
Yep.
We might just plug it in and just do a travel, so just have a visual of what travels, aileron travel, and
Oh, because you were putting
so
all this
we've
back
got
down.
2S. You hold it, Glenn.
Yeah.
2S 20,
200s.
22s.
4S 2200s.
Sorry, 4S 22, 4S 2200s. Beautiful paint job on it. That's the one from Tamora, isn't it? And aileron travel, that's just for a visual if you guys want to see. That's an up aileron, down aileron. You can probably reference off that tip tank too if they want to. Elevator. Up. Flaps, did you use the flaps for landing?
So that's what I use for landing.
Landing. About that much. That's it. Flew well, went well.
Tons of power.
Heaps of power. That's it.
floater.
Happy Cessna pilot. So the only thing is, and why the hatch come off, that accidentally got glued in. So we used a bit of sticky tape and it blew up. It came off in flight, but actually flew, didn't change. Didn't change at all in flight. Sorry, we've got a noisy glow model in the background, but tons of room for bigger batteries.
Well, it's a good access, isn't it?
Nice and big hatch access too, isn't it? Yeah. Works well. Beautiful design.
Very happy.
Thank you. Thanks, Dave, for doing that for me.
No problems. Enjoyed it.